Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with essentials. Open camera and position the iPhone 15 where light is low but subject visible. Once night mode appears, tap the icon to confirm exposure time. You should see a numeric seconds value. Make sure to steady the phone, use a tripod or brace on a surface, because longer exposures need stability. You then tap to lock focus and pull the exposure slider left or right to fine-tune brightness. This controls how much light the algorithm collects. Once done with the initial setup, focus on refining the capture. You press and hold to get AE/AF lock. This keeps focus and exposure steady while you compose. Then make small adjustments with the night mode exposure slider. Increase seconds for more light but expect motion blur. Decrease for sharper subjects. You should also switch lenses. Tele captures distant details, ultra-wide gives context, and portrait separates subject from background. Each changes night mode. To finish, press the shutter and hold perfectly still until the timer ends. The iPhone will process multiple frames into one cleaner image. After review, you may want to reframe or change exposure if details are lost. If your shot looks noisy, make it a shorter exposure and rely on slight ISO increase via the slider. This reduces motion blur. If night mode fails to appear, restart the camera app or update iOS. That often resolves sensor or software glitches immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.